Привет! This is learnrussian.org, the online source for learning Russian. This is the 14th lesson in the series Pronunciation. Today I'm going to explain to you the difference between words with soft sign and without it. Давай! As you already know, soft sign is not a sound. It's only a letter. Soft sign makes a letter before soft, and this soft sound is like a consonant with an E overtone. It's a small and short sound of E. You can find more examples in the 9th lesson. Here let's focus on hard and soft pronunciations. Words with soft sign and without have a different pronunciation and different meanings. Был, быль. Пил, пыль. Дал, даль. So, when it's hard L, your tongue touches your upper teeth. Its form is like a spoon. L. When it's soft, L, your tongue lifts up to your hard palate and it's like a hill. L, L, L. Стал, сталь. Угол, уголь. Let's see how it is with other letters. When the consonant is soft, the tongue is always like a hill and closes or touches the hard palate. N, н, кон, конь. Т, т, плот, плоть. С, с, лес, лось. Б, б, об, обь. Ф, ф, кровь, кровь. Can you hear the difference? I would like to show you several pictures. You can see the different meanings. Polka, a shelf. Polka, Polish dancing. Кровь, shelter. Кровь, blood. So be careful with soft sign. That's it for today. All clear? Молодец! I hope you liked the lesson. If yes, give us a thumbs up in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Russian. See you there! Пока!